Nearly. Rev it up a bit. Yeah, rev it up a bit more.
Feels a bit.
Yeah.
But I started, this is the first drive. Went pretty well, I reckon. Then there's the engine, and we had to take the door off because it had to fix the key. Had a leakage, because the actual radiator cap had a problem where it was just letting too much water go to the overflow. I had no idea what was going on, but then I figured it out later on. That's the whole car. Another bit of the engine. Got some more parts in the engine. That's the two cars together. I got another one. It's unloading the new car as well. There's another two. There's a before. There's after. Looks pretty good. Yeah.